This is the best platform for play millions of songs and podcasts for free. Yes, you're right. I will talk about Spotify. So let's see how to download this Spotify in our system. Let's start the video. Just go to official website of Spotify. Don't worry, I provide this link in description box. So you can see here, this is the interface and you are able to see the download button. So click on it. Once you click on it, you open a new tab and you can see here download Spotify. So click on download button again, and the Spotify setup.exe file are starting to downloading. And you can see here the Spotify download successfully. So open it, and this is the Spotify installer. And Spotify are successfully installed in our system. So just open it. And here you are logging in your Google account. So just click on login and login with your Google account or Facebook with Apple. So I logging it by my Google account. Click on continue to the app. And you can see here, this is the interface of Spotify, and here you listen millions of songs, podcasts for free. I hope so this video is little helpful for you. So please like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.